This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap.
This is the Market Wrap for a Friday. I'm Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network. The U.S. job growth slowed a bit in April to 88,000, and the unemployment rate was up 0.1%. 4.4 last month. It's 4.5 this month. In April, average hourly wages increased 2 cents or 0.2% to $17.25. Average wages at 3.7% in the 12 months ended in April. Average work week fell to 33.8 hours from 33.9. Economists, though, do not believe that the data will move the Federal Reserve off the sidelines when they meet next Wednesday at the next FOMC meeting. The Fed is expected to hold rates steady at 5.25%, where rates have been since last summer, given uncertainties about whether the economy will slow enough to gradually bring down inflation. In other business news today, Microsoft has intensified its pursuit of a deal to take over Yahoo Inc., asking the company to re-enter formal discussions. While the two companies have held informal deal talks over the past year or so, the latest approach signals a new urgency on Microsoft's part. The approach follows an offer Microsoft made to buy Yahoo a few months ago, but Yahoo rejected those advances. Clear Channel Communications said its board of directors has rejected a private equity group's modified buyout offer for that radio and billboard company. And Reuters Group plc said it has received a preliminary takeover approach, feeding to a spike in shares of the British News and Financial Information Company. Shares went up in early morning trading today, up 25% in value. And Wells Fargo agreed to buy Greater Bay Bancorp in a stock deal worth $1.5 billion. Earnings news today, Washington Post company reporting its first quarter profit falling 16% on weakness in print publishing. The Hovnanian Enterprises, HOV is their stock symbol, the home builder, announced its fiscal second quarter loss will be wider than previously anticipated. Eastman Kodak reporting a narrower loss for the first quarter, but it is the ninth straight loss out of 10 quarters. Starbucks' aggressive global expansion helped second quarter profit jump 18.5%. That is at Starbucks. It's going to be a busy week next week economically. A lot of economic reports due out: consumer credit, wholesale inventories, import-export prices, the trade gap, Treasury budget, producer price index, retail sales, business inventories, plus, as I mentioned earlier, that Fed FOMC meeting, which starts on Wednesday. Earnings next week. Scheduled earnings include Disney Company, Progress Energy, Gateway, SBA Communications, Wynn Resorts, Churchill Downs, Movie Gallery, Cisco Systems, CVS Corp, Molson Coors, Revlon, and Tenet Healthcare. Those are just a few of the marquee names to expect next week. Some of the stocks in the news today include Darden Restaurants, stock symbol DRI, reporting U.S. same-store sales up 5 to 6% at Olive Garden, compared with a 1% rise just a year ago. Priceline.com, their stock symbol PCLN, agreed to settle a securities class action filed against it back in the year 2000, paying a total of $80 million. And Nationwide Financial Services, stock symbol NFS, reporting first quarter earnings of $1.38, that versus 93 in the year ago period. And that's the latest on Market Wrap and the latest for a week here on the James Dix Financial Network. I'm Jack Lott. Have yourself a great weekend.